What's up, everybody? Happy Tech Tip Tuesday to you. Doctor's in the house here again, taking care of you today. Today, right behind me, it's kind of can't see it because it's one of our studio booms in black there, but I'm gonna go over the start sequence. The other day, a customer called up, a newbie, and needed some help on assisting on starting the machine from the platform. So I'm gonna go over quickly the start procedure on an aerial lift. Again, check your manuals, your operator manual before you get into these machines. Each machine has its own start sequence. Overall, the general theme, but check it out in the next sequence, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so check it out on this boom right here. We got a platform and a ground control area, and in the middle is your off switch. So you want to make sure you start on your basket area first. Pull your red E-stop button out. This goes in, this goes out. So your ground one out, make sure you're up in your basket controls first. Then we'll head up to the basket. Now that we're in the basket here, you see, there's the boom where we left. Now we're here. Pull this red E-stop button out. Listen for the beep. Right here is your start button. That's your emergency get down. We'll go over that in a later video. Up to start. Just fire it up. Ready to go. Short and sweet this week, but quick little how to start the boom lift from the basket. Take care, you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, spread it around. I'll get to you next week with a new video, some new ideas and new tech tips. Thank you for allowing me to take care of you. Let me know how I could serve. Drop some ideas, comments below. Interaction, more the merrier. Thank you and have an amazing rest of your day.